I hope today that you heard something that maybe you knew, but you needed to hear it. In the setting of this Zoom with everybody else on here, sometimes we're at where we're supposed to be at. Like sometimes God puts us in the right rooms for the right reasons. Maybe this Zoom room this morning is what you needed to be on to have your preemptive breakthrough, to be able to make a decision today so that you get momentum going into Myrtle Beach. Don't wait for January 1 to start getting your breakthrough. Like create it now. Go get performance qualified today. Get your next rank advancement done this week. And I'm looking forward, you guys. I've got multiple times throughout the weekend that I'll be with you guys at the breakthrough event. So Brian A, Brian B, Brian C, maybe there'll be a new Brian D that will be there. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hug you. We're gonna maybe do a mosh pit together. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but just always know it's because I want you to win. I really want your family to see you win. I want you to have all the benefits of building your empire here in Legal Shield. Elizabeth, I'm going to throw it over to you. Thanks.